right now.
Huh?
I'm busy right now.
What you doing?
Hi you all, I am Simone C. Welcome to my YouTube channel, or welcome back you all. Today we have an exciting video all about the newly released Huda Beauty Full Filter Luminous Matte Concealer. Yes, you all. This baby just recently dropped about a month or a month and a half ago, and I finally got my hands on it. I'm super duper excited. So if you all are interested to hear my thoughts on this concealer and of course the demo as well, please stay tuned and keep on watching. Alright you all, so I did stop at my local Sephora and I did pick up the concealer. It did drop about a month ago or a month and a half ago, I'm not too sure, but you know, life gets busy and I'm just getting my hands on it. That's all that matters. This is Huda Beauty's Full Filter Luminous Matte Liquid Concealer. This is what the packaging looks like. I picked up the shade Brittle 6.5G. This concealer claims to be 14 hours of wear, crease proof, blendable, buildable, brightens and corrects. It is also water, sweat, and transfer proof. Ooh, all the things that we love in makeup, you all. If you have been here for some time, you remember that about a year or two ago, I reviewed her Full Filter Luminous Matte Foundation in Mocha 500G. So the packaging is exactly the same. So that is what I'm wearing on my base today. Still flawless 2 years later. I also love and stand by the Huda Beauty setting powder in Blondie. So that's what I have today, and that's what I'm going to be using to set the concealer with. So this is how pretty the concealer looks. I love the packaging, especially this side that says hashtag Full Filter Concealer. Love it. Quickly pin my hair out the way and we're going to just jump right into it. The doe foot applicator is nice and wide. I do like that. It has no specific smell or fragrance, which, you know, is not bad. Of course, that's a good thing. It is going on extremely smooth, you all. And now I'm going to put a little bit down the bridge of my nose and on my forehead as well. And I do prefer my concealer to always sit and set in place just a little bit so that we don't disturb the product and it doesn't slip and slide and move around. So to help expedite the drying process, I'm just going to use my card that I have here because I'm lazy to go upstairs to my bedroom and get my handheld fan. So I'm gonna set my timer for 2 minutes to let this set, and we'll be right back. Taking my Sonia Cashik sponge. I got this from Target. I have plenty of them actually, not just this one. And we're gonna start with over my lip. That's always where I like to start because this is not going to crease as much as under my eyes, so yes. Wow, do you guys see how that is blending out already? Flawless. Wow. Nice and seamless as well. Do you all see how this is looking so far? It is really looking like a filter on my skin. Gorgeous, okay? Filter ready. Okay, honey. I'm going to take back my foundation brush and just blend around my mouth. Wow, you all, this is blending out like a dream. A dream, okay? Just look at this flawless application, you all, this flawless blend. obsessed, okay? Obsessed. Everything is blending so nicely together. I cannot wait to now set it with the powder, and let's just see that baby melt. Going straight into the blondie powder with the same sponge, tapping it off. We're gonna look up and set the eyes first. Just because that's where it creases first. Now let's set the lips. I'm gonna go ahead and let this bake for about 2 to 5 minutes, and I'll be right back. Alright y'all, so it's been about 2 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and start to work on the rest of my face using my Sephora Micro Smooth powder to, you know, set everything else, and then using the same powder and brush to blend away the setting powder. So this is how everything is looking so far, you all. I'm going to go ahead, complete the rest of my beat, and I'll be right back. Alright you all, we are back. What do you all think about the final look? My base is absolutely flawless, you all. Faux filter vibes all the way. I am extremely happy I picked up this concealer, you all, and that I finally tested it. Concealers are my favorite. Top favorite makeup item of all time, y'all. If you've been here some time, you all know that sometimes I use concealer only as my base, no foundation. Just a couple more specs about the concealer. It runs for $29 at Sephora, and it comes in 29 different shades, so it's a good amount, you know, for everyone to choose from. It claims to be full coverage and a matte finish, and vegan as well. Full coverage, most definitely. I can see that. My makeup looks so pretty, y'all, today. I'm very, very pleased. I do feel that this concealer gives a light sheer finish. As far as how it feels on your face, it feels very lightweight, you all. Not heavy at all. And I'm so happy to have it now part of my collection as well. I'm excited to go back and pick up more shades, you know, closer to my skin tone. Today's shade was a little bit more of a highlighter shade. That is up next on my list of things to do and things to pick up at Sephora. I'm busy right now.
Huh?
I'm busy right now.
What are you doing?
My video.
Which one?
A makeup video.
Hmm?
A makeup video. Let me know if you want to see the rest of my beat and how I complete it, or I can come back and do a full face makeup look for you all as well. I'm excited to hear your thoughts and what you all think about this concealer today, so please be sure to engage with me down below in the comment section. So yes, you all, that completes today's review of the new Huda Beauty Faux Filter Concealer. I hope you all enjoyed it. Please let me know. Do you own this concealer already? Are you going to be picking it up? Let me know. Let me know. And as always, please do not forget to like this video, subscribe, comment down below. Let's get a conversation going as always. Share this video with your friends and family, and you all. I will see you in the next one. Bye.